bring Caitlin down? Or she'll never make it. Oh. Show Olivia where her bag is.
You need to open it. You found eggs? Yeah. Put it in yours.
She put it in Danny's.
Does that have vodka or no?
No.
Oh, okay. It's like he's going,
Mommy. Back.
No, just eat it. Just put it in your mouth.
What else is on the floor? Show Caitlin her bag, Danny.
Mommy.
Wow.
Mommy.
Wow. Is that an egg? Yeah.
Mom.
Olivia, put it in your bag. Danny, what else is there? What are those bags?
Mommy.
Is that yours?
Mommy, look.
What are these, Danny?
Stuff for us.
Whose is this? Who's the ducky? Caitlin. Hers is a bunny.
I am bunny.
That's yours? It doesn't say names. It says it. Just grab.
Mommy.
Who wants a ducky?
Well, there were